Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to publish a WordPress website on Bluehost. After installing your WordPress on Bluehost, you may face a coming soon page like this one. This means that your website is not live yet. To publish your WordPress website and make it live, simply log in to your WordPress dashboard. By the way, you can get access to my university for free, where you can get multiple online courses to help you with your online business. My online courses right now includes one about Bluehost, where you can learn many things, including how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account, domain name, optimize performance, and other things like billing and account management. To get access to my university for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Here, fill in your username and password to access your WordPress dashboard. If you see this page, just scroll down to the bottom and click on I'm following a tutorial, take me to the WP admin dashboard. As you see from this top bar, my site is not live yet. Click on it. Then next to site status, uncheck this option. As you see, the coming soon is deactivated. Now let's revisit my website. And now my WordPress site is live. And this is how to publish your WordPress website on Bluehost. Don't forget to give this video a like and a comment below. Thank you.